Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change text on a Weebly button. This is a simple yet essential skill for customizing your website's calls to action, whether you're updating promotional messages, refining your navigation, or just keeping your content fresh and relevant. First, open your web browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log in to your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Weebly homepage, which serves as your central dashboard for managing all your websites and content. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see a menu with various options. Look for the option labeled Website and click on it. This is where you'll access all the sites you've created under your account. Once you've clicked on Website, you'll see an Edit Site option appear underneath it. Go ahead and click on Edit Site to proceed to the next step. At this point, you'll be presented with a list of all the websites associated with your account. Choose the specific website you want to work on by clicking on it. After selecting your site, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll find an Edit button. Click this button to open up the website editor, which is where all the magic happens. You're now in the editor page of your website, which gives you full control over every element on your site. This is your workspace for making changes, adding new features, and customizing the look and feel of your pages. Now comes the important part, locating the button whose text you want to change. Scroll through your page until you find the button in question. It could be on your home page, a landing page, or any other section of your site. Once you've located the button, simply click on it. This action will highlight the button and bring up editing options specifically for that element. Among these options, you'll see one labeled Button Text. Click on Button Text, and you'll immediately be able to edit the wording that appears on your button. Type in your new text, whether it's something like Shop Now, Learn More, Get Started, or any other call to action that fits your needs. The change is straightforward and takes just seconds to complete. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the text on your Weebly button, giving your website a fresh, updated look that better aligns with your current goals. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.